Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Honda CRV. First, gather your supplies: a drain pan, a funnel, and about 1 gallon of new Honda-approved coolant. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Locate the radiator drain plug, typically on the bottom of the radiator, and have a bucket ready to catch the old fluid. Now, position your drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug. Carefully open the radiator cap to release pressure, then slowly open the drain plug. Let the old coolant flow out completely into the pan. This process might take several minutes, so be patient and ensure all the fluid is collected for proper disposal. Once the old coolant has fully drained, securely close the radiator drain plug. Using a clean funnel, slowly pour the new, Honda-approved coolant into the radiator until it's full. Then, fill your coolant reservoir to the max line. This ensures your system has enough fluid for proper operation and temperature regulation. With the radiator cap off, start your engine and turn the heater to its highest setting. Let the engine run for about 10 to 15 minutes, watching for air bubbles to escape. As the air bleeds out, the coolant level may drop, so top it off as necessary. Finally, replace the cap and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.